Here's how you can get your Apple Watch to fully charge. So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. Okay, so I would recommend you to just grab the Apple Watch and open up the main settings app where you can control all of the things as usual. But from the available options, you should also find the menu for battery specifically. And in there, you can see the current charge and then the battery health and so on. But if you go to the battery health, you have one toggle, which is called optimized charge limit. And if this is turned on, you can read the little description here below is that when it's turned on, it's basically gonna extend the lifespan by making sure that the Apple Watch is gonna charge to 80% normally, and past that point it will kind of like stretch out the charging process. So if you charge the Apple Watch overnight, it's going to charge it up to 80% for the majority of the time. And from like if you wake up at like 8 a.m. at all times and it's 6 a.m. already and you already have like 80% of the battery, then it's going to stretch out the remaining 20% until you wake up, right? So it kind of learns your patterns, and it is designed to make sure that the battery lasts longer. So you can turn it on. It's like a nice feature or whatever. But if you want it to be fully charged right now, just make sure you turn off the charging limit, and the Apple Watch is going to go to 100% instantly. So that is something which you can definitely do to make sure that, I mean, if you need it to be at 100% right now, that's what you can decide to disable, at least temporarily. But that's all for me. I hope I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next videos too.